These are my new bypass exhaust valves to bypass the muffler with. I just got them in. I'm testing them to see how they work. Comes with this little key fob. On, opens it up. Off, closes it. Auto, surprisingly, opens it a little bit at a time. You can just keep pushing the button to open it up as far or as little as you want to. All the way open, on, off, closed, auto. So I can adjust the noise by changing the position of the blade slightly. Have them just slightly open, or all the way open, and all the way closed. Nifty neato.